Becky from Pop here with part 2 of our lighted balloon column. I wasn't sure if this was going to work earlier, but it has worked fantastically. It's about midnight and it's dark out, so the balloons are lighting up perfectly. This is on a jump setting to where it's alternating through the colors. You can set it to solid. That would match your event's decor. There are several default colors on the remote. If you want to take out reds or take out blues and greens, that's something you can do as well with the remote to set it to the exact color. My next video is going to be a complete balloon arch that is lit. I am going to try to attach a couple strands together to do my 30-foot arch, and we'll see how that works. If you are interested in having a lit balloon arch or lit balloon column, you would want to make sure your event is going to be a dimly lit event so that it actually lights up and looks good rather than you not being able to see the lights. If there's anything you guys would like to see me put together, please comment below. Make sure if you like my videos, you hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I think that's all for now. I will see you next time.